Yo guys, let's finish our website. So currently our website looks like this. I need to add post. When I add post, this website will fill. So at last I need to change my this author section. I will add my author details here. After that I need add about page. Maybe it's about me, and I need to add contact page, but today I am not going to show you how to add contact page. I will do it when I upload this website to my server. So until that, let's find out how to change those parts. So I already create about me section, and let me give it here. Yeah, this is about me, and there's a short description for this author section. So first of all, let's change this author section. To do that, I go to my dashboard. No, I just click on this customize button. It's the easiest way. Then I go to widgets. In the widgets, there has sidebar widget. In sidebar widget, there has a section called author. So I will just change that title to about author. Then I will remove this image and upload my image. So here is my image. This is my image. This is real me. Yeah, this is real me. So I will add my name as ALT tag. So I select it. After that, I need to change this little description. So I will copy this part and I will paste it here. So yeah, it looks cool. So after that, I will click on publish. So this is all about author. Okay, nice. Let's add about page to our website. So I already have about page. I will go to dashboard. I already has page called about, so let's go to that page. This is my about page. I will click on edit. After that, I will change that text to about me. It's all about me. Okay, I will remove this part. Tada! Then I already created that part. I will copy it. So my real name is Gihan, and if you don't know about that, I am Gihan. Yeah, my name is Gihan. So yeah, this is little bit description. So if you want to know about me, just read my about section after I upload this. After I upload this website to my server. So I will check about author part. That's nice. I will change those image later, but for now that is good image, and this is all about me. So okay, now we are good to go. In contact, I will add contact page when I upload this video, because I need to set up email. I need to set up contact us plugin, contact form plugin, and there's SMTP configuration. So I don't want to do it on localhost. I will do it after I upload my website to server. So probably that video will be in future. So okay, currently this is my website. So I'm really happy with my website. So if you want to create website like that, just follow my videos, or you can find a developer on Fiverr. So it's up to you. I will put link on description, just watch it. Then if you learn something here, feel free to subscribe and like the video. I will see you in next video. Bye.